I'm going to use BH Cosmetics. I use 4 tools for my brows right here. So yeah, I'm using these. A spoolie right here, an eyebrow brush and comb, and this one is like a little flat shader brush. I mean, not shader brush, but like a little flat, probably like concealer brush. So I'm gonna use that, and also an angled brush. Alright, the products I'm using, I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills products, my favorite products for my brows, my ride or die products. So I'm gonna be using the Dip Brow Pomade. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what this is. This is in the color dark brown. There you go. And then I'm gonna use the brow definer. At first I just used to use the pomade, but I've recently became obsessed with the brow definer. Like, I just like that. Hold on, I need to get a new one. There we go. I just like that freaking sharp edge it has. Like, it just makes it so easy, so much easier for you to do your brows. Like, just that angle that it has right there. And also it has a spoolie also on the end of that, on the end of the applicator. And then my new Anastasia Beverly Hills product is the Brow Wiz. This is the brow definer, and then this is the Brow Wiz right here. The Brow Wiz is a little bit thinner, but it's like a eyeliner. So it's really it's really precise when I want to like make hair-like strokes on my eyebrows. So I use that. And the color for both of them are in the color Ebony, and the pomade is in dark brown. And then I just use a concealer of my choice. This is a drugstore concealer. It's by Poisoner. Right there you go, focus. There you go, right there. And then this medium deep. I really like the consistency of this. It's really good. So that's what I use. So let's get into this video. I have no eyebrows, as you guys can see. Like, honestly, I don't even know how I go about life with these eyebrows. Things first, I'm gonna take this spoolie and I am just gonna brush out my eyebrows. Just kind of follow the natural curvature of the brows. There we go. Now I am gonna take the Brow Wiz. La 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 la. You guys, the struggle was real getting this whole setup, and I'm still not happy with it. So if you like the background, and if you like, you know, the video, if it's good, give this video a thumbs up, because let me tell you guys, I was struggling. Alright, so we're gonna just line the bottom of our eyebrow with the Brow Wiz, and just like lightly, not too harsh, just lightly. Just so you can kind of get the curvature of your brow. Extend it a little bit. So just like that. Boom. You see that? You see that right there? It's making an eyebrow. We about to have eyebrows on fleek. Because right now it looks like somebody shaved my eyebrows off. And they didn't shave. They plucked them off. I.e. me. Alright. And we're not going to worry if, you know, it's a little thick at the bottom, because I'm going to fix that. I am going to fix that, you guys. So we're going to take the spoolie from the Brow Wiz because it's really thin. And then I'm just going to kind of brush that product up in a little bit so it won't be such a harsh line. Now we're gonna take our brow definer and we're going to do the top of the brows. Now we're gonna start right here. We're not starting right here because I like my brows to look natural, so I don't want to start right here. I'm just gonna start like right here and come down like this. So see that? See that? We got a brow. We're forming a brow. It's happening, people. And let's do that to the other side. Boom. Now, they look totally different. This one looks thicker than this one. It's okay. It's alright. Because we're gonna fix it. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm gonna say. Brows are not twins. They're sisters. So... And who wants their eyebrows to look really drawn on? Like, I want my eyebrows to look natural. Like, it's hair growing from my freaking eyebrow scalp. So now we're going to take this brow definer. I mean, not brow definer. Sorry. Dip brow pomade and an angled brush. Going to get a little bit on our angled brush. And... like that, just a little bit. And now this is the magic. We're gonna take that angled brush and we're gonna follow our natural hair strokes, and we're just, it's like filling in colored crayons, filling in lines, filling in the colored crayons. What the heck? Do the other side. Oh, natural, baby. I know it doesn't look natural right now, but I promise you, your brows will be fleeky fleek if you follow this. Now, this part in the front, I'm gonna go straight up like so. Now, so you don't need to put any more pomade up on your brow brush. So we're gonna brush that on up just like so. And we're gonna take that Brow Wiz and we're gonna darken up them little hair-like strokes. Just light little flickers, just like so. And then, you know, fill in if you know, feel like you need some more brow hair or whatever, just add it. Now we're going to take the concealer because it's going to bring it all together. and we are gonna conceal right underneath our brow bone, like so. Okay, see that right there? Go to the other side. Take your time. Don't rush. I'll show you. I'll probably do another tutorial on how I do my brows in a hurry. Because sometimes I don't have time to sit here and take like 10 minutes to freaking draw on my eyebrows. So, you see, right now, I know they still look a little scary. They look a little scary. Gonna take that brush and we're gonna feather that out to look natural. Blend it all in. Blend it all in. Now this part you can either take your finger, but me powder right here, 360. I'm just gonna tap that onto my dense blending brush right here. Tap that on there. Can you guys see? There you go. And I am gonna blend out that concealer. Just blend it on out. Just blend it on out, like so. Alright, now I'm gonna go back with my spoolie and freshen it up a little. Make sure it's to my liking. Then I'm gonna take the brow definer, take that angle edge, and I'm just gonna darken up some areas that I see need to be darkened, like the tail of the brow, and just darken up these areas. The tail of the brow like that, and then take spoolie like that. And here you guys have it. These are my brows. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you use on your brows and let me know if you tried this tutorial. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be listed in the description box. Please make sure you guys go check out the description box because I also have a vlog channel where I do vlogs with my boyfriend. And go check out my website, Ashotoftracy.com. I recently updated it and I will be posting on there regularly. So go leave me some love and feedback and tell me what topics you guys want to talk about on the blog. let's get it popping. You feel me? Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.